Are the audio quality and features of the BOYA Mini 2 actually any noticeably better than these budget mics that I've been using for years? Let's find out. Right off the bat, out the box, the BOYA Mini 2 comes in this really shiny AirPod-like case, and you charge both of the microphones at the same time using a USB-C cable at the bottom, which is a huge step up from my budget mics, which have to be charged individually with the USB-C ports on the side and don't actually come with the carrying case. So I've been carrying them around in this Turkish Airlines bag that I got when I was flying. It also comes with a free USB-C cable so you can charge it, and a BOYA branded carrying bag made out of a soft cloth so you can clean it with this bag as well. Inside we have both the mics and the receiver that we're going to connect to our phone. And true to its name, these mics are really tiny, not even half the size of my current budget mic, which, if it's able to capture even the same audio quality, is going to be game changing because I'm going to be able to set up my mic much more precisely on my shirt underneath my chin for the best reception and not have to worry about things like interference from clothing or moving around too much. Because currently, even with my budget mic being just this size, I have to be conscious not to move around too much whenever I'm filming, because if not, there's going to be interference like this. Or sometimes the mic will get caught on my clothing and there'll be this scratchy noise, and it basically just ruins the take. If you listen for it, you can hear the scratching noise in even some of the previous clips of this video, so let's go ahead and change out the audio now. This is what the audio sounds like using my iPhone's native microphone, and I'm filming this not only to give you a point of reference for the audio, but also to quickly show you just how much smaller the BOYA 2 receiver is compared to this budget mic receiver. This receiver does have both a USB-C and lightning head to work with older iPhones, which is a good thought, but in practice, it's pretty bulky and awkward because when you stick this receiver into your phone and you try to grab your phone, you basically keep getting poked by the lightning head with no real solution around it. All right, very first audio test using the BOYA 2 mini microphone right out the box with default settings. There is a BOYA Central app that you can download and mess with the settings if you want, but I'll probably just keep it like this for now. This should be the crispest and clearest that the audio sounds because I'm holding it right up to my mouth. Next, I'm going to pin it on my shirt like I would when normally filming and see if there's any significant drop in the quality. This is the very first test of recording with the BOYA Mini 2, clipping the microphone at the center of my collar as shown on the instructions. I'm also going to try moving around a bit to see if there's any interference with the audio like I showed you before. Okay, and I'll try to intentionally scratch it on my clothing. The BOYA Mini 2 does have an AI noise reduction mode, which you can enable with a button on the side of the mic, and you can tell is on if the light changes from blue to green. So now that I've enabled it, I'm going to go ahead and try that movement test again. Okay, movement test. Trying to intentionally scratch the mic on my shirt. I just reviewed the footage and I must say I am really blown away by the audio quality. Like, it really sounds like studio quality audio to me just coming out of my phone, especially compared to my budget microphones that I've been using for several years. And the BOYA Mini 2's AI noise suppression mode eliminated all of the noise when I was moving around, with the exception of when I was intentionally scratching it on my shirt. At which point, I think it only had like one sound that was left over, which is insane. I will personally definitely be using this BOYA Mini 2 microphone set with AI noise suppression turned on as my go-to microphone for filming all of my content from now on, and would say that the difference in both audio quality and features compared to my budget microphone set are night and day, and it's totally worth it to just invest in a BOYA 2 Mini first instead of buying a budget set and then getting one later. So if you're looking for a high quality yet affordable microphone set that truly has incredible audio quality, comes in a protective charging case, has AI noise cancellation capabilities, and uses microphones that are so small that you can literally conceal them behind your thumbs if you choose to do so, pick up the BOYA Mini 2 for yourself today, and you're going to be set.